So I'd like you to come to a comfortable seated position, sitting on the ground with your legs crossed. We're going to bring our right leg in front. That's the sun element, balancing the sun and the moon, the left being the moon, the right being the sun. So seated in a comfortable position, we're going to come to Jnana Mudra, bringing our thumb and index together, and that's symbolic of a state of higher wisdom, higher consciousness. So together we're going to breathe, and we'll go through our breath warm-up together before our practice. We'll focus in on our central breath. So sitting nice and tall in our back, we'll close our eyes. I'll get you to exhale fully. We slowly breathe in through the nose, 1, 2, 3, and then slowly out through the nose, 3, 2, 1. Breath slowly draws in through the nose, 1, 2, 3. Slowly out through the nose, 3, 2, 1. We want to think about breathing around a 60% lung capacity, not over breathing, but just modulating our breath cycle and slowing the breath down to lower the heart rate. So staying with the 3-3 breath, in for 3 pausing, out for 3 pausing. Ultimately, we want to work our muscles in the back of the throat. Ujjayi pranayama is to just slightly contract the muscles in the back of the throat, as if you were whispering a secret. And that slightly tenses the muscles in the back of the throat and makes the breath pass through a narrower chamber. Staying with the 3-3 breath, Ujjayi pranayama, just slightly tilting our eyeballs down towards the heart space to illuminate the heart space. Taking that nice little journey into the interior self, the soulful self. Being aware of our body, being aware of our breath. Stilling our mind through breath observation. Bringing our mind to the breath, breath to the mind. Gently from here, opening our eyes. We're going to take this steady breath pattern now into our movements.